Alright guys, so we're at this Afghan mini marketplace and we're recording some air conditioners here. I don't know what these are. This one is running. There's an old Goodman here. And this train over here is broken. This is insane. This is my first broken air conditioner recorded. That line is it's not anything. There's nothing. It's not cold or anything. No compressor on this one. No compressor. Yo, this is insane. I'm gonna record this at another place one time. Or yeah, I'm gonna record it some other time. This is just a fan. This is just a fan. That's insane. Yo, I'm gonna come back here and record you. I'm gonna record this thing. Here is another train. I recorded this at a workshop, and here's another train. Yo, I'm gonna record that. Yo, this train, how's this train? This train is working. It's blowing out air. Why is it already fading? This happened with the lake one. Yeah, that's working. That's working. Yay, it's a pain. It's so old though. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. It's pretty old. I think these all have Copelands. Yo, here's a Nordine. Yo, my first Nordine. Finally, a first Nordine. Hey, this is an ICP. There's a Copeland. Here's another train. I don't know why there's so many of these. That's a cool Nordine. Where's the logo? I don't know where the logo is. That's a nice Nordine. I think I'm gonna contact the store about the train. Nordine. This has been running. Yeah, it's been running. That's been running a lot. If I say, oh, I cannot tell what that is. Yeah, I don't know when that's from. Here's the paint again. I think this is gonna get replaced.